This is our presentation on aviation emissions and carbon offsetting. There was a 32% increase in CO2 emissions over the past 5 years in the flight industry. The diagram shows that global passenger traffic will grow at 4.3% annually from 2015 to 2035. Market-based measures such as carbon offsetting programs are one way to reduce the environmental impact of aviation. The goal of CORSIA is to have carbon-neutral growth from 2020 onwards. So from the starting point of 2020, all additional CO2 will be offset.
But what does offsetting mean? Airlines give money to providers that finance CO2 offsetting projects. These projects mainly help people in third world countries for a more sustainable lifestyle. But there are still problems in the system, since it does not directly aim at reducing the number of flights.